Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video, and today I'm gonna be making like a neon light thingy. Okay, we got the circle done. Oh my, yo, do you see that? That's so bad. Wait, no, maybe that's actually good. Like, it can be like the bumps. I don't think there is any bump. But this should be fine. Okay. And yes, I am on my goal. Like, it's really hard to like rotate or like do stuff without like moving. Oh no. Damn. Oh, it's kind of tilted, so like one. Should that do it? Yeah, that's good. I think it's yeah, that's good. Let's just move this up a bit. Oh no. Oh, that's fine. I don't like how that looks. Not that bad. Come on. It's not that bad. Come on. I'm like really like clone. Is that? Yeah, fine. Now I'm gonna place one block. What a
Nice.
Where is the part? There we go. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. What? What? Okay. Please. Whatever, I'm just gonna have to rotate it. I'm gonna stop being lazy and just rotate. What? No, not the jet, the pilot seat. Okay. Oh my. And I think we're done. Wait, no, we're not done. Oh my. And I think. Oh, finally! Oh wait, we're not done yet. Hello? Oh, why? Oh my god. I thought like it was ginormous. Not that big. 100. Hello? Okay. Phew. Now let's save it. And it's no longer a new bike. It's broken! Yay! Hooray! At least that works. Forgot to connect it. It's so annoying. This video is 30 minutes long!
Oh my god!
Please go, I swear to God. Please. Okay, it's intact. It's intact. It's moving! Wait, why am I like dramatic? It works. Let's go! Oh my god, I was not expecting it to take 30 minutes. I should have just used the jet in the start. And it's not even that cool. It looks really bad actually. Anyways, oh my god! The second I stop stealing! Okay, so tell me if you like this video, and if you like this is actually my first Build-A-Boat video. So, if you want more Build-A-Boat videos, like and subscribe and comment yes. Goodbye. Ah, wait, no!